This is my next video. In this video I'm gonna show you what is inside the JBL box. I already unboxed the JBL product, the system, and now I'm gonna go ahead to install that, to plug the wire. So this is the box where all cables and accessories are inside this box. And what do you find inside the box? First, 2 batteries, AAA size. First one, and then remote control. Number 2. Number 3, HDMI cable. Is HDMI cable. Number 3. And the aux direct to connected to headphone aux cable. Number 4. And number 5, wall mounted brackets, and I already add is the nut. This is all I already installed here. These are including, you can find the 2, this one and this one. The 2 I already installed here. And this power plug. This is the power plug, which is plugged to subwoofer. Comes to here. This is just back side. The second one, this is also a power plug, which is plugged to this speaker bar, and just back side this bar here. And the last one, the handbooks, manual books. What is this? This is the, you can use this one. This one is included inside the box. So this is it is helpful for make a hole on the wall. Just use this. Use it. So how many accessories are inside the box? Just 1, batteries, 2 remote control, 3 HDMI cable, aux cable, headphone cable, 3, 4 wall mounted brackets, 5 power plug and power adapter plug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last one, 9. So I hope this video will helpful for you. Very thanks for watching. Stay tuned. God bless you. Bye bye.